zoom out and it'll be easier to hold.
Whoa.
Look at the ship going by.
Where? Where's the ship? I don't see the ship.
Left of the sun.
Big barge. Whoa.
Whoa!
Gosh.
That's a nice picture.
Whole sky.
Look at that whole sky.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
It's giving a goal all the way around now.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, wow.
Look at the wind. Wow, those boats are gonna blow. Okay.
Or a bear to sit down.
Whoa! Do you want to film it?
I guess I could.
It almost looks like a tornado coming down on an angle like that.
Woo! Make sure you get it going without your thumb.
Wow.
Is it? How do you know it's actually doing anything?
It's red.
Quick, it's going down, quick.
Yeah. It's going.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody's freaking out.
Everybody's sort of cheering.
Keep looking.
There it goes.
This just happened so quickly.
Honey, you're gonna lose it.
Oh yeah, it's going down. So why is the sun so red?
I don't know, it's so
It's because
big
of the
too.
refraction of the light.
But Lauren, why is it so big?
Oh, I don't know.
Look at the
They're trying
sky.
to
Look
get
at
it all.
over there. Oh, see
Did
that?
you guys see that?
Oh my gosh. Quite the storm.
Oh, look at the sun.
Oh my god.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Tony's recording it.
So
Cool.
beautiful.
Record it.
Look
Yeah,
at
it's
it.
pretty.
Look at
It's
it
pretty
glowing on.
special.
Look at it glowing on the sea.
You know.
Oh, look myself.
No, just.
Oh my gosh, look at this
I
sky.
know.
It is spectacular.
It is. Look, it's like an aurora.